Okay, let's get it, y'all. She said nothing happened, but he showed up with scratches. Let's right to it.
Hey, what's going on in here?
Hey.
Anything going on in here?
No.
Oh, yes it is. Somebody called the police. Show me your hands. What's going on? Who else in there? Who else is in there? Who else is in there? Come on back out here. Y'all in here fighting?
No, sir.
No. All right, what's going on there?
No, we chilling, bro.
No, y'all ain't
I
chilling
was
because
screaming
somebody
at
called
him,
the
but
police.
we wasn't fighting.
All right. Y'all got IDs?
I ain't got no ID.
All right. You don't got one on you at all? All right. Y'all bullshitting me, okay? So I'm about to end up locking both of y'all up. Y'all keep lying to me, okay? I didn't know the truth, okay?
I promise we were not.
All right. Well, where y'all IDs at?
I can grab them.
All right. You don't got ID?
I got a picture.
Where is it? Why you breathing hard?
Cause we were arguing, bro.
It sounds like his ass breathing hard too. Just standing there.
I'm unique.
Huh?
I'm unique.
That shit fresh. Why you playing with us, man?
I do
The fact that she's got blood stains on her pants.
Oh yeah, that's right. You know once you bust it back up and on your knee, you get the bleeding again if you fall.
How you fall?
Up.
Huh? How you fall?
She pushed me.
Alright. So now you just said nothing wasn't going on. Now you tell me she pushed you.
I mean, you know, we was arguing, bro.
What? Turn around. Put
Yo, this is insane. How is he getting?
How is bounce your ass off this concrete?
He gonna bounce him off the concrete? Yo, do he know he got body camera on? This is how you talk to people?
Show one at a time. You got a thing on you.
I don't want that to go take too long. I can't go my
Go ahead and turn her. Go ahead and turn her. No, don't. Turn around. Cause y'all lying to me. I see scratches on him. He got a cut on his knee. Something's been going on.
We said we weren't fighting.
All right, don't y'all bullshitting. Somebody been scratching on his chest. Something been going
Yeah,
on.
she trying to signal with her eyes. Like, don't you
Okay,
say
but he
nothing.
got scratches on him.
Stand still for a second.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but I don't. We were not.
Y'all
fighting.
lying to me.
I'm not lying.
Y'all playing me like I'm stupid.
I'm not trying to play you like you're
Yes,
stupid,
you
officer.
are.
You got the blood from his knee all over your, all over.
So it's the last time I'm gonna ask y'all what's going on one more time.
Officer, I promise we were not fighting. We were in an argument. Please, 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 please. Oh my God, this is extreme. I cannot go to jail.
She got the eyes of a scared dog.
I cannot go to jail. I'm in a
Untrustworthy,
doctor
scared dog.
First name, last name, and date of birth.
What's your first name? You
Shazai.
can't hear?
Spell it.
SHAZIYACLE.
CLE.
Officer, we weren't fighting. And I don't want to get arrested.
Okay.
What would I be getting arrested for?
Right now it's obstruction because you're lying.
One last time.
I can see all the physical evidence on his chest and
we're literally
everything.
telling you we're not
No,
fighting.
yes y'all were.
We
Okay.
weren't.
Something happened. Y'all was making physical contact with
No,
each
we
other.
weren't.
Yes, you were.
Officer,
No.
I
I tell you, we gonna let a judge figure it out.
no, please.
The other officer. The other officer like, yo, he doing too much. You could tell.
So you ain't gonna tell me your name?
Officer, I cannot.
Huh?
I cannot. We were not fighting.
You're not gonna tell me your name?
If it was said we weren't fighting,
One last time for your last name.
how can I get arrested for
One
telling
last
the
time for
truth?
your last name, or you're going to go to jail for
Give on some information. These your keys? Huh?
It feels so. It's degrading. Like it's like you just all of my person like this. It's just weird with the whole police shit, man. I swear, because it is so degrading, man. It is so degrading. They just feel they could just do whatever they want, touch you up, take whatever they want from you, tell you can't go in your own home, all types of stuff when things be happening. Like you be working your ass off and some bullshit happen, and then now you getting treated like a damn donkey. Told that man he gonna bounce him off of the damn concrete.
Is anybody else in there?
No, sir. Can I get the keys off my door?
No, we don't work like that. It don't work like that. You want me to tell me your name?
Right.
What is it?
Right now, you're not under arrest.
You gonna just tell me?
If you can't.
What's your name? It depends on what the evidence shows. Both of y'all lied to me.
She ain't said that.
She said y'all wasn't fighting. I see evidence y'all didn't.
We wasn't fine.
Okay.
We wasn't gonna fight.
All right. This the key to lock up your apartment?
Oh, no, I keep in the house.
Okay, well. Y'all playing with me. I'm finna take both of you.
I thought I was, you just said I was arrested.
No, because y'all playing games.
What you mean? It was me. She asked me to leave. I wouldn't go.
It's too late.
She wanted me to leave. I wouldn't leave.
Come on, let's go. I'll try on that already. Y'all playing with me too much.
We ain't
No
fight.
instruction because you lying to me.
We ain't fight. She asked me to leave and she pushed me out.
I told you, I'm not fighting.
She ain't fighting.
Stop. Both of y'all stop. Y'all told me
I
nothing
never
happened.
put my hands on him
Stop
once.
it.
I said we were arguing.
Stop this shit. Look at all this on his chest.
So why is he getting locked up?
Okay. Okay.
Because, what they saying? Because they gonna say because he lied? Of course he gonna lie for you. He didn't want to get locked up.
Where your shoes at?
I
Where your
was
shoes
arrested
at?
for obstruction, but I told you.
Where your shoes at?
Yeah, he a piece of shit. I don't like this cop, man. He a piece of shit. You can tell the way he handled him and everything.
She asked me to leave. I ain't leave.
You claiming he got all these scratches on YouTube
That's all, bro. She asked me to leave. I ain't leave.
and that door shouldn't have had closed with him and that girl in there by herself. That door shouldn't have had closed with him and that girl. The dude, the other officer should have been standing at the door with him as well. That door should have not had closed behind him whatsoever. And look how long it's taking. It don't take that long. Y'all shoved him in there and shoved out. Exactly. That's what you should have did a long time ago. You're a horrible cop.
This is my house. I said we weren't in here fighting. All I said, asked him what's up.
Relax.
I can't be arrested. I can't be arrested.
It's not even her fault.
I can't be arrested.
You can't be arrested.
Come on, let's go. We ain't finna do all this emotional stuff.
I'm not trying to be
This is the worst cop, man.
I didn't lie to you.
No, she not.
Yes, she is.
I've been doing it. I've been
She
doing
asked
this
me to
stuff
go,
for
I
too
ain't
long.
go.
All right, let's go.
I need a shirt or a jacket. I'm going to.
I can't get no shirt, bro.
155.
I can't get no
You show
shirt,
two
bro.
in custody.
I can't get no shirt, bro.
Officer, we can't. I can't. Because I don't
I'm
want
so
to be
confused.
arrested.
Why is he
there's
getting
no one
arrested?
This is all I was trying to avoid. This is all I was.
I'm so confused.
Great.
Actually freaking out. She clawed him up for sure. You could tell. And he just like, it's a bullshit.
Please. Could I just not get arrested? He said we were detained. I don't know.
If you with based off the physical evidence, it looks like you the one getting more charges. He the only one got bruises on him. You ain't got none on you. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
What is his charge? That's the question. What is his charge? Or is she dragging?
If I can't call you.
I don't know, bro.
I don't have nobody. You know that. So that's great. I'm just gonna be like last time ever to talk. I don't have nobody but you. Now I'm gonna go to jail and sit there.
Can I figure it out, bro?
Damn. Yeah, it sucks. Especially not having nobody. But if you know you ain't got nobody else, then why beat him up or scratch him up or whatever the case may be? Because you definitely did something to him for sure. Yeah,
Oh, you keep trying to pull away from me, dude. Go on this other side.
I don't like this cop. He's trying to.
Relax. Step back from the door.
He's trying to make him do something so he can do something to him. He's trying to make him do something.
Go help seek.
Yeah, this is not a good cop at all. He's a horrible cop. Horrible. Horrible. He's a hostile cop for sure. Should have knocked your fucking head off, bitch. The other one, like, I'm just here, bro. I just work here. Like, I'm trying to get this over with as quick as possible.
It is 30065.
155 radio.
155.
You show me around 35, one male long.
Client call has been updated.
43, send a call 913, around 35. It's further.
Radio.
Yeah.
Oh, they gotta lock their firearm up before they go in there? That's different.
You having trouble breathing?
Oh, hold up. Go back. Because I've been trying to see if this guy was white and black.
You having trouble breathing?
Light-skinned dude.
I'll be cool if he leaves you out there.
Sucks.
Turn around for me. Stand
Put it in a damn closet. That's what that is, a damn closet. Man, so degrading. This is so degrading.
Hang on.
I'm sorry.
I mean, just sit tight for just a second. I'll get this off.
Oof. I know she like, as soon as that door closed, she was like,
What am
I
you have
doing
the
here?
right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to speak with an attorney and have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, will be provided for you at the government's expense. Knowing and understanding these rights that I've explained to you, you're willing to answer my questions without an attorney present. Just a yes or no. You gotta say it.
I'm not gonna be able to go home.
It's a yes or no. You either go answer or you're not. Okay.
this dude is insane.
Alright, I'm gonna read you your Miranda rights, right?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to speak with an attorney and have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you at the government's expense. Knowing and understanding these rights that I've explained to you, are you willing to answer any of my questions without an attorney present?
Yes, can I ask a question?
Mm-hmm.
I know you just read me my Miranda, right?
I guess they both go when it's a domestic in Georgia. It's a lot. It's a lot. I don't know who to believe. I don't even know. He ain't saying nothing. She ain't said nothing. Scratches on him. He should have put a shirt on. They're gonna wind up talking to each other between the wall. Cause that's just a holding cell right there. That's not even the cell they're gonna take him to the jail.